A quiet sunrise filters through the curtains of a room gently littered with memories papers, forgotten gifts, piles of folded clothes waiting for a place to call home, a soft sigh, a gentle, wrinkled hand brushing over an old photograph. It's not just clutter, it's a story, a tale of years gone by, of birthdays celebrated, of grandchildren's artwork, of souvenirs from places visited long ago. And yet now it weighs heavy. It tugs at peace of mind. It murmurs, sometimes loudly, sometimes softly. Where do I even begin? Let's begin here, with a whisper of clarity, with one small action. Not a revolution, but a ripple. In a world that often celebrates speed and productivity, there's something revolutionary about slowness, about choosing, intentionally, to clear space, not just physically, but emotionally. And as we grow older, our space becomes more sacred. Every object starts to echo our stories. But we must ask, do all stories need to stay? Or can we choose which ones deserve a shelf and which can rest in memory? Start with the air. Yes, the air. Open a window, let in the breeze, the birdsong, the scent of possibility. That alone begins the journey. And then open. Not to the mountain of work, but to the one little corner. Perhaps it's a drawer, perhaps a nightstand, perhaps the kitchen counter that hasn't seen the light in months. Pick just one. That's enough. Now breathe. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Feel your chest rise, feel it fall. You are capable, you are wise, you've lived through decades, you've faced challenges far greater than this. You are not your clutter. Soften your gaze upon the objects before you. Don't judge, just observe. Let each item tell you what it really is. A memory, a tool, a weight, a relic. Begin to gather 3 containers. A simple act. One for things to keep items that still spark usefulness or joy. Another for things to give items that might brighten someone else's life. And a third, a quiet farewell for things that no longer belong in your journey forward. This isn't about throwing away. This is about returning. Returning your space to harmony. Returning your soul to lightness. Returning your home to a sanctuary. Take just 15 minutes. Set a gentle timer. Let that be your boundary and your blessing. When the time ends, you can rest. You've already done more than most, and tomorrow you'll begin again. With another drawer, another breath, another victory. You are not alone in this. All across the world, others like you are reclaiming their space, their joy, their rhythm. And with each discarded magazine, each organized cabinet, they are creating something new. Freedom. Look at your hands. These hands have held babies, built meals, signed important papers. These hands deserve to hold peace now. You don't have to do this perfectly. Perfection is not the goal. Lightness is, peace is, comfort is. Give yourself permission to laugh when you find odd things, a spoon in a sock drawer, a receipt from 1982, that one gift you meant to mail and never did. Let the laughter be cleansing. You're not messy, you're human. You lived, you collected. Now you're choosing what travels with you next. Maybe you'll find letters, love notes, photographs. Let yourself pause. Let yourself feel. Place them in a memory box. Not all treasures belong in the trash. But remember, your home is not a museum. It's a living space. Not everything is an exhibit. Choose your treasures carefully. Invite help if you need it. A grandchild, a friend, a neighbor. Someone who respects your journey but can offer strength where you feel fatigue. Let them lift, carry, sort, but you decide. You are the curator. And oh, the magic of space. The way an empty tabletop sings. The way a tidy shelf smiles. The way your heart begins to beat softer, slower, steadier. Don't let the clutter shame you. It crept in slowly. It will leave slowly too, piece by piece. Like a tide receding, celebrate the small wins. A single bag out the door, a drawer you can close with ease, a chair finally free to sit in. These are milestones. These are marvels. Make it a ritual. Light a candle after each decluttering session. Sip your favorite tea. Put on your favorite music. Let your body know it's safe now. It's free now. With each object you release, you're not just gaining space, you're gaining clarity. You're making room for the moments ahead, because life isn't done with you yet. There are still conversations to have, meals to cook, hugs to give, books to read, and joy to feel. Imagine your home as a garden. You're simply pulling weeds, making room for beauty to bloom. And if you feel stuck, just remember, progress is a page, not a chapter. You don't have to rush. The goal is not empty, but peaceful. Not sterile, but intentional. Revisit old routines. Replace 1 hour of television with 1 drawer of decluttering. Turn on your favorite radio station and let your feet move with purpose. Let your hands sort and decide with grace. As you lighten your space, you might find you sleep better, think clearer, breathe deeper. There's a science to it, sure, but also a soulfulness. Your environment reflects your energy. And when your environment breathes, so do you. Watch the colors come alive again. The texture of your favorite quilt no longer buried. The sound of silence, not empty but soothing. You may find unexpected joy in giving. That vase you never used, it might brighten someone's table. That sweater, someone's winter. Objects have power when we assign them meaning. But the greatest power lies in the choice. And each time you choose, you reclaim. This is your home, your journey, your peace. Let today be the day you begin, not a chore, but a transformation. Take a breath. Now take 1 small action. You're doing it. You're really doing it. And it's beautiful.